Get ready to take part in a one-of-a-kind sculpting experience in our new mentorship format for Sculpting with Andrea Blasich. Students who enroll in a critique session with Andrea can now expect a fully interactive sculpting experience where you'll meet with Andrea each week to get immediate feedback on your homework assignments, go over any of your questions, and work one-on-one with Andrea as you sculpt together live on Zoom. Over your 8 weeks together, you'll get to interact directly with Andrea and work alongside a sculpting veteran to really see firsthand how he implements various techniques in his work and gain invaluable insight into his decades of experience as a sculptor in the animation and entertainment industry. Think of it kind of like a mentorship, where you'll get to really hone your sculpting skills with a pro as you get ready for the next step in your artistic journey. These sessions are limited to only 6 students per session, so don't delay, sign up today. Or join the waitlist for Sculpting with Andrea Blasich to receive an email as soon as the next critique session becomes available.